This class 4.
Sir, can
I
I
know
go?
you guys are in class 3.
Sir, we are in class 4. Class 4.
It's
So
so
can I go
confusing,
wash
kids.
my hands? Class 4.
It's
So
so
can I
much
go wash
confusing.
my hands? Sir, we are in class 4. Sir, we are in class 4.
So today, kids, I will teach you a new topic. Do you want to study a new topic today?
Sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
Sir, I'm
today,
coming
I
and
will
washing my
share a
hands.
little bit of my magic with you.
Sir, sir, I'm going to wash my hands. Sir,
Yes,
which chapter will we do?
we will do a magic chapter.
Sir, money?
No.
Sir, alphabet test.
No.
Sir, mirror images.
No.
Patterns?
No. We will do a magic chapter.
Sir,
That chapter
mirror
has
images.
real magic in it.
What? Sir, geometrical shapes and solid.
Suppose I give you this number. No, let me change it to 7. And I ask you, does this number come in the table of 3? So can you tell me, does this number come in the table of 3?
Sir, yes, I can tell. Yes, sir. Yes, it doesn't come.
How can you tell me?
Sir, by seeing the last digit.
You tell me, is this number comes in the table of 3?
Yes, no, sir. No. Sir, obviously no, sir. So no, sir.
Now tell me, does this number comes in the table of 3? Yes or no? So,
Yes, sir.
Adiraj
Yes,
Bhaiyu,
sir.
strong
Yes, sir. Yes,
annotation.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How do you know?
Sir, by checking the digits.
Now you tell me, does this number comes in the table of 3?
Yes, no, sir. Yes, sir. No, sir. No, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Now you tell me, does this number comes in the table of 3?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir. No, sir.
So if I tell you this number comes in the
Yes,
table of
sir.
3,
No,
then
sir.
it
So
does
it
come.
comes.
It comes. Let me give you more numbers.
Sir,
Not lend.
Sir, how to do it?
So does this number comes in the table of 3?
No.
Yes, sir.
No,
Does
sir.
this number comes in the table of 3?
No. No, sir.
The
Yes,
answer is
Then,
yes.
yes, sir.
Yes.
So I
How?
will. So should I teach you my magic trick?
No, sir. I know.
Yes,
Sir, I
sir.
know.
So who knows name? Yes, Gupta ji, tell me.
Sir, we need to check the last digits.
Wrong, beta, wrong. Ritvi, tell me.
Sir, we have to plus then which will the answer will come. If it is having the odd number at the last, it will.
No, beta, no. It's not correct.
So can I tell?
Yes, Sudoku.
I'm trying, so this is not so. I have to plus all the numbers, and if that number is of like a multiple, like what do we call it? It comes in the table of 3. That's it is. Sir, I'm losing words. It is.
Beta, don't lose words. Should I give you some thing to, matlab, so that bag or something where you can keep the word secured?
So
So I will
no,
tell you guys, you don't know magic properly. I will tell you. I will tell you. You don't know the magic at all, guys. So
Sir,
today I
I
will
know the
teach
magic.
you. Today I will teach you magic rule of two. So what does this two tells me? This rule tells me.
This is very simple magic.
If a number is is even, then the number is divisible by 2. Then the number comes in the table by of 2. Then
Sir,
the
I said
number
that only.
is divisible. Beta, but I was asking for 3. So this
Oh,
is
then
called
it is an odd number in the
divisible
last.
by 2. Sorry. Then the number is divisible by 2. For example, if I write 75328, is this number divisible by 2?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I did not understand now also.
बेटा even number पता है आपको कौन से होते हैं?
Yes, sir.
So is this number even or odd?
Sir, even.
So then it comes in the table of 2. Have you understood?
Sir, if in the table of 3 odd numbers will come.
3 बेटा 3 मैं समझाऊंगा ना बेटा, मैं मैजिक अपना धीरे धीरे वो कर रहा हूँ. आप मेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स हो. That is why.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Now we are doing magic rule or divisibility rule of 3.
Yay.
So if I have to check if a number, very big number, comes in the table of 3 or not. So if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3.
That's what I told you, but I lost words.
Peter, that's why I told you, na, keep a bag with you so that you don't lose words. For example, let's say this number. I will add 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 17 plus 8, 25. So because 25 does not come in the table of 3, so this number is not divisible by 3.
So that's
Let's see. Let me give you one more number. 7, 5, 3, 2, 8. Then
So that's
9.
Sir, this is literally the same number. Sir, this can come. Sir,
Wait,
this is
wait,
not
wait, wait.
divisible.
7 and let me 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 2, 17.
Divisible. Not divisible. Sir, not divisible.
Not divisible.
No, sir.
Let me change the number to 6.
I did not understand.
We will add all the digits.
Sir, it is divisible. Sir, it is 30. Sir, divisible. Sir,
Sorry.
not divisible.
7 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 7 plus 6. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 17 plus 13, 50. So is this number divisible by 3 or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
तो आयशा आप समझ आया?
Sir.
बेटा आपको ऐड करना आता है ये सारी डिजिट्स को? जैसे हम ऐड कर लेंगे 7 plus 5 12 हो जाएगा. आयशा ऐड कर सकते हो आप?
Yes, sir.
तो आपको ऐड करोगे तो 30 आ गया. 30 आ जाएगा ऐड करके. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So does 30 comes in the table of 3?
Yes, sir.
So this number also then comes in the table of 3. अब समझ आया?
Yes, sir.
Now for every number the rule is different. Let's see the magic rule of 4. We call it the divisibility rule of 4. Everyone has stolen from me. I used to teach this. Now it has come in books and everywhere.
Oh, so funny.
So divisibility rule of 4. If last two digits are divisible by 4 or are 0, 0. So you guys have done your homework.
Sir.
Yes or no? Guys, कब करोगे?
Sir, I've done.
Sir, I have done. Sir, I'm so intelligent. I have done.
What are you saying, Reda?
I'm a mastermind and I have done.
Very good. Mr. Bhayu Singh Jadon, have you done?
Sir, yes, I have not done.
Ve-
Sir, sir, I have done till 6 worksheets.
So who has not done? Or बेटा पहले आपकी बुक्स नहीं आती थी लास्ट ईयर, अब आप होमवर्क नहीं कर रहे, अब आपको कोई और रीजन आ गया. व्हाट इज दिस, डॉक्टर आयशा? डोंट गिव मी रीजंस.
Sir, my mama has gone to Turkey.
मम्मा
खाने के लिए टर्की खाने गए थे.
मम्मा इज व्हाट बेटा, क्या बोल रहे हो?
Gone to Turkey for a conference. I did not know the homework.
चलो बेटा कोई
Aisha,
बात नहीं,
so I
अब आप
told
कर
you
लेना.
टर्की खाने गए थे.
आप कर लो होमवर्क.
You told the homework in the class also.
Okay.
Yes, sir. No,
So
sir.
if last two digits are divisible by 4 or a 0 0, example 3 8 9 2 0 0, is this number divisible by 4?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
7 5 2 3 2, is this number divisible?
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
because 32 comes in the table of 4.
Four.
One more. 6 8 0 9 2, is it divisible?
No, sir. Yes. No, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes बेटा, because 92 को आप डिवाइड करोगे तो रिमाइंडर 0 आएगा.
Yes.
92 divide by 4 will give you 23 and remainder will be 0. So this number also comes in the table of 4.
So, how do we know if it so does not?
What?
We need to know.
You will have to divide the last two digits.
I hate the recipe.
Next.
But it easier for sir, but won't it easier be divided?
Beta, if you divide the normal way, you will have to make a 5 or 6 digit division. आपको last two digit divide करना easy है, 2 digit number or 5 or 6 digit number? Tell me, Moti. Which is easier? So divisibility rule of 5.
Sir,
If,
so simple, can I please tell?
if the last digit is 5 or 0,
So,
then the number is divisible by 5. So have we understood, the kids?
yes, sir.
So you will check divisibility by 3 and 5.
How will we write it down then? Yes.
So divisibility check. So check, you have to write divisibility by 3 and 5. So one more thing I would like to tell you, that suppose 3 से नहीं divisible है, 5 से divisible है, so send NY in the chat, just NY. अगर दोनों से divisible है YY, दोनों से ही नहीं divisible NN, so just send in short NY YY NN in the chat to Ragini ma'am. So you have to check.
Sir, what do you have to send if both are? No, sir. What do you have to do?
बेटा अगर 3 से डिविजिबल है तो y पहले लिख देना, अगर 3 से डिविजिबल नहीं है तो n पहले लिख देना. ओके रिदा?
ओके सर. सर अगर दोनों से डिविजिबल है,
दोनों से है तो y लिखोगे.
और अगर दोनों से ही नहीं है, और
तो
अगर दोनों
nn
से ही
लिखोगे,
नहीं है,
nn लिखोगे, nn.
और अगर 3 से है तो y.
ये 3 से है, 5 से नहीं है तो yn.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can you share rule of 3?
बेटा you have to write it down during the break, copy it. So divisibility rule of 3 is if the sum of the digits is sum of the digits, मतलब हमें digits को add करना है, फिर चेक करना है वो 3 के टेबल में आते हैं कि नहीं आते।
सर मुझे एक नंबर पता है जो 5 के टेबल में भी आता है, 3 के टेबल में भी आता है।
मुझे भी ऐसे नंबर पता है, 15 है,
यस
30 है, 45 है, 60 है, मुझे तो इतने सारे पता है। मैंने ही तो बनाया था, ये बता तो रहा हूँ। तो डॉक्टर आयशा, सैमी, उसामा एंड रिदा स्लीपिंग।
समझ आ रहा। रिदा कुछ सीख।
रिदा बेटा आज पढ़ना नहीं है, मूड नहीं है आज पढ़ने का।
सर वैसे तो नहीं है क्योंकि मैं सुबह से पढ़ी जा रही हूँ।
फिर मम्मा को बोल दो कि मैं मम्मा रिकॉर्डिंग देख लूंगी, क्योंकि क्लास में हो तो आंसर देना पड़ेगा बच्चे।
मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा।
बेटा सब समझ आ रहा है बेटा, मम्मा खाए, कॉल मम्मा, प्लीज कॉल मम्मा, मैं देख लेता हूँ समझ आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा। बेटा डू इट। रिदा ये काम नहीं करना, इफ यू आर इन द क्लास यू हैव टू आंसर, डोंट गिव मी दैट।
Sir, I'm not able to write only.
बेटा क्या लिख नहीं पा रहे हो आप, क्या मजाक कर रहे हो दोनों।
I know the answer.
चलो तो अधिराज all right. So Adhiraj, how will we solve it? How will we check if it is divisible by 5 or not? First 5 का देखते हैं।
Sir, we will check it. I have not checked mine. I have sent.
Yes, Adhiraj, how will we check if it is divisible by 5 or not?
Sir, we will check if it is divisible.
I cannot hear you, Adhiraj.
Sir, I don't understand it.
See, what is it written? Divisibility rule of 5. If the last digit is 5 or 0. So, is the last digit 5 or 0 for this number?
5.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir. It is 5.
So, if the last digit or the ones place is 5 or 0, then it is divisible.
Yes. Sir, I have written yes only for 5.
Beta, for your 3 is wrong. Now for 3, we have to do the sum of the digits. So 2, Adhiraj, please pay attention. Rida, please pay attention. Aisha, 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 0 plus 5. So what is 2 plus 3?
5. Sir, the answer
What is 5 plus 2?
It is 12, sir. It is
12.
becoming 12.
So does
Sir,
12
12
comes in
is
the
the...
table of 3, Aisha?
Yes, sir. In 3,
It
4,
does.
I forgot.
So
Yes.
because 12 comes in the table of 3, 23,205 is also divisible by 3.
Okay,
Rida,
sir.
आपको समझ आ गया?
Yes, sir.
Rida, have you understood?
Yes, sir. Sir,
So
I
now you
forgot
have to
my
check
5.
divisibility by 3 and 4. किससे check करनी है?
No. Sir, how to check 3 and 4?
बेटा पहले 3 की चेक करोगे, आंसर yes है, no हो सकता है, फिर 4 की करोगे, आंसर कैन बी y or n anything. All right?
Yes, sir. Sir, 3 का divisibility नहीं पता मुझे.
3 का बेटा सारे डिजिट्स को ऐड कर देते हैं, 2 प्लस 3 प्लस 2 प्लस 0 प्लस 5,
Okay, sir.
फिर जो नंबर आता है इफ इट कम्स इन द टेबल देन वेट आई हैव नॉट कंप्लीटेड द क्वेश्चन।
Sir, do you know I can agree with you that you made this thing because the papers are still sticked on Javi's wall about divisibility.
चलो ठीक है, चलो गाइस लेट्स डू दिस क्वेश्चन।
Okay, sir.
Sorry, sir, I accidentally sent to you.
So, but I forgot the rule of 4.
Beta 4 rule is last 2 digits should be divisible. अगर last 2 digits divisible है, then it is divisible by.
How do we know how it is divisible?
इसके लिए बेटा 3 से डिविजिबिलिटी नहीं आती या 4 से नहीं आती, किसकी नहीं आती?
4 से नहीं आती.
4 से लास्ट 2 डिजिट्स को चेक करना है.
Sir, if the last 2 digits come in the 4th table,
Yes, if the last 2 digits come in the
also
4th table, then it is divisible by 4.
Sir, I also didn't understand the 4.
लास्ट 2 डिजिट्स जैसे इस नंबर में क्या है, लास्ट 2 डिजिट्स ऊपर वाले नंबर में देखो. व्हाट आर द लास्ट 2 डिजिट्स इन दिस, Adhiraj?
5 and 0.
05. So does 05 comes in the table of 4?
No, sir.
Then beta it is not divisible. जो नंबर है आपका divisible नहीं है 4 से. Okay. So Rida beta, I gave 2 questions. First divisibility by 3, then divisibility by 4.
Sir, I'll send the second answer. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
I didn't saw the first digit 1.
Okay beta. Okay, now kids. Adhiraj, look here. बेटा 4 का 3 का divisibility rule क्या होता है Adhiraj?
Sir, to check the last 2 digits and check if they come in the table of 4.
बेटा 3 का पूछ रहा हूँ. I am asking for 3. What is the divisibility rule of 3?
Sir, the divisibility rule of 3 is to plus.
So sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. So did you add 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 1 plus 7 plus 2?
Sir,
What did
answer
you get?
18.
18. So does 18 comes in the table of 3, yes or no?
No, sir.
No. 3 6 are 18. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So this number is divisible by 3. So first answer is yes. Everyone did it correct except Adhiraj, आपका गलत. Next, what is the divisibility rule of 4?
Sir, to check the last digits.
Let's check the last 2 digits. You tell me 72 comes in the table of 4.
Sir,
You
Sir.
tell me yes or no.
Sir, yes.
So then it is divisible by 4 also. Because if you don't understand, then you divide and check. 4 ones are 4, 3 and 2. 4 eights are 32.
Sir, I was just checking and.
Understood, guys? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So then rest divisibility we will do in tomorrow's class. In the next class, I mean.
Visit.
So let's revise. So Adhiraj, what is the divisibility rule of 2?
Sir, the divisibility.
Divisibility rule of 2 is?
Sir, check the last digit.
What check the last digit? If the last digit is, if a number is even or the ones place is even, then the number is divisible by 2. Now for 3, Rida, what is the divisibility rule of 3?
Sir, for 3. Sir, check the last 2 digits.
No, beta, no, गलत नहीं बोलो. अभी किया है हमने question.
That's for 4. That's for 4.
Yes. Osama.
Sir, I know.
Sir, we need to add up all the digits and if
So sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. Anna, what is the divisibility rule of 4?
So we have to check the last.
If the last two digits are divisible by 4. Modi ji, what is the divisibility rule of 5?
We have to check the last digit. If it's 0 or 5, it's
It's
divisible by 5.
so if the last digit is 0 or 5, then it's a divisible by 5. All right, everyone understood it's a concept?
Yes, sir. It's.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
after coming back, we will do some Rida questions. For now, I will give a break.
बस मिल गई शांति
बस मिल गई? अनाया को बस मिल गई? What is this?
शांति मिल गई
Sir, Hida is saying that she's in 5th. So please put her in the 5th batch.
Okay,
सर
then.
मैं फर्स्ट में नहीं हूँ
So, okay, kids, see, today we are going to do analogy. What is analogy? What is analogy?
Sir, I don't know.
My questions are analogy.
It's a relationship between figures, between numbers, between Rida and easy questions. So it's a relationship. So Rida, start your camera. So now, how will I do this? So if you see, there are 2 dots. Then there are 4 dots. And then there are 2 dots again.
Sir, I did not get it.
बेटा मैंने अभी एक्सप्लेन किया भी नहीं है भाई पहले कैसे आ जाएगा So there is a relationship between first figure and second. कुछ इसमें relationship है. The same relationship is going to between the third and fourth.
Understood, sir.
Understood? So there is a relationship between 1 and 2. The same relationship will be there between 3. So everyone do this question. First question, try it, guys. Try it, guys. First question is the easiest question in the world.
Sir, I don't think.
Sir, I understood that
Sir,
there's a relation, but what do you have to do with the fourth figure?
You have to find the fourth figure.
Sir, then what do we have to send you?
बेटा ABCD ऑप्शन भेजोगे ना सी देखो इतने सारे टिक्स आ गए सब बच्चों ने भेज दिया so
अच्छा
so everyone do the second question till that time I explain Rida the first
Sir,
Rida
I
question.
understood. Sir, I
What's the answer
understood.
for first?
Sir,
Tell me.
I understood.
Tell me what's the answer for first.
Sir, D. Sir, D.
D. तो
A,
देखो
B, C, D.
this is there, this is there. केवल जो है left part is there. This is the left part of L, so this is correct. Do the second question, kids.
Okay, sir.
I'm not being able to understand this question. Oh my.
sound coming.
Derived from your background.
Yes.
It was from Bayu's background. All right, kids, let's see.
Sir, I have sent.
Beta, don't
Nobody
send to
has.
me. Don't send to me, send to ma'am. So
Okay,
this
sir.
triangle is inside, it comes outside. And बाकी सब जो है remain same and the colors are in alternate order. So what should come outside? The circle. So circle comes outside, फिर ये बीच में हो जाता है, square बीच last में innermost हो जाएगा. So my answer would be C part. So Gupta ji, Sudoku, Annie, Rida, Bhayu, understood? You
Sir,
have to
yes, sir.
observe carefully. So now, guys, you can do the third and fourth one.
Both of them.
All right, do the third one only. Fine.
I was just. Oh.
Ritvi has got such a good speed. Ritvi wants to challenge the monopoly of Mr. Bhayu.
What, sir?
Osama. He wants to challenge Osama and Mr. Bhayu.
Okay, sir.
These are very, very easy questions.
So yesterday, Bhayu bit a mosquito. I feel sorry for the mosquito.
Send, sir.
Sir, I have sent to Ragini ma'am, but he didn't check. It's the other way around.
All right. Once again, Rida.
So why does this happen to me
See, beta,
only?
इसमें भी वही हो रहा है. Square is coming out. So now we have to find the third figure. So whatever is coming out, वो कहाँ होगा?
In.
Where? In. So here the hexagon came out, or this one came out. Whatever. 1 second. Which came out? The hexagon came out. So hexagon should have been inside. So here the hexagon came out. So hexagon should be inside, which is in the B part. And we have one more thing happening. So this triangle is going inside. So whatever is inside will whatever is outside will go inside. So outside है pentagon, this will go inside. So उल्टा पुल्टा हो रहा है. Inside becomes outside, outside becomes inside. तो third figure में भी उल्टा पुल्टा होगा. Pentagon out आ जाएगा and hexagon in चलेगा. Right, guys?
Yes, sir.
Right. So do the fourth and fifth. My goodness, Sammy got it wrong and Bhayu got it wrong. One Ritvi is, beating both the naughty boys.
Sir. Sir.
Rama and Bhayu both. So do the fourth and fifth one.
Sir, can we do only four?
Yes, Bhayu, yes.
Sir, can I say something?
Yes.
No.
Sir, no, because he can come to my house.
Okay, let's do the questions. The 4 and 5, let's do the fourth and fifth question. So naughty boy, 2 questions are there. So given one message only.
Sir, can I resend? I understood my mistake.
No beta, objective type में you cannot resend because exam में भी एक ही try मिलेगा ना. So check your answer before you send. So Kudu, bhai, you start your camera. Keep your camera on.
First answer is true. No, this is not. This is the
Oh no, it cannot.
again this.
So Annie and Mr. Bhayu.
Sir, I have sent.
All right. Mr. Bhayu has not sent. So let's see. Rida, you have also not sent beta.
Sir, now I have.
Okay. So first of all, the triangle gets inverted and it becomes small. So this pentagon will get inverted and it will become small. So my answer would be D part. So Rida, Modi ji, Dr. Aisha, understood?
Yes, sir.
Now the arrow will become inverted and this shape comes here and becomes small. So when you invert plus, तो वो तो पहले भी plus ही होगा. Because inverted or non-inverted, it remains same. So square came here. So पहले square बड़ा. A circle came here. So first of all, the circle would have been bigger. So here I am going small to big. Here also I will go small to big.
Okay, sir.
When the third shape is not given, तो आप second to one चले जाओ. So let me explain you that way. Let me go second to one क्योंकि मेरा जो third shape नहीं है. तो second to one में क्या होगा? Arrow is getting inverted. This is going there, becoming bigger. So first of all, मैं प्लस को इन्वर्ट कर दूंगा, प्लस हो जाएगा. सर्कल को मैं आई विल मेक इट बिगर, सो इट विल बिकम लाइक दिस. ऑल राइट, एवरीवन अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So do the 6th and 7th question. Sixth question is difficult. भाई लास्ट क्वेश्चन में आपने आंसर नहीं दिया, डोंट डू दिस.
Sir, I can't understand in the sixth question.
Sir, neither can I. Sir, I'm
If you don't understand the sixth question, you can just send the answer for the seventh question.
Very easy.
So, but it's very easy.
You can just send the answer for the seventh question.
Can't understand seventh one. I can understand sixth.
Just send for whatever you can understand.
You just need to see the pattern, the shape I meant. And you'll get the answer immediately. Super easy. Super. Can I send my answer of six? I understood.
Yes, beta, you can send to ma'am. Gupta ji, Sammy, Bhayu, Sudoku, Rida.
Sir, I am sending.
Rida, what is my answer for six?
Sir, sixth I don't know. Seventh I
7th का बता दो भाई.
B.
B. Let me check. So first of all, the logic for the 6th question is U is made up of curved lines only. Only curved lines. Curved lines कैसी होती हैं? Which are like this, which are not straight. Which are not straight. These all are curved lines. No, this is not
Sir,
curved.
the answer was C.
And this is made up of straight lines only. Straight. So we will have again curved and then straight. So the answer would be C. So Mr. Bhayu, naughty
Sir,
boy.
this is like sequence.
So did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Bhayu
Sir,
understood?
is my seventh question correct?
बेटा
B
रुक
part.
जाओ रिता. Bhayu, Adhiraj understood?
That is wrong.
Adhiraj and Mr.
Yes,
Bhayu.
sir. Very tricky. Sir, then you just tell me when am I
7th.
even right?
Now 7th में what happens? ये नीचे आ जाता है, इसका उल्टा नीचे आ जाता है, and the rectangle changes into triangle facing opposite side. So same thing is going to come here. This is going to come on the opposite side, and rectangle will change into a triangle which is not facing the semicircle. So my answer would be A part. Understood? See, we have to match everything. This line was matching with this. So my straight line would match with this. Yes, same way these two lines will match.
Sir,
So we have
can
to.
you make it a kids question?
No, Bicha, I cannot.
Sir, you said it is a very difficult question.
Yes, beta, but you 5 kids gave no, so I cannot.
Sir, when 2 or 3 kids will do, then you will give a kid.
Yes, yes. So do the 8th and 9th question.
Sir, it is. Sir, are these difficult questions?
Beta, if you have done mirror images, then it's not so difficult. If you have not done mirror images, then it may be.
I have done. It is not difficult, but I have not done mirror images. Sir, I know mirror images, but I can't understand this. The same thing as Aisha. Sir, it is very easy. We cannot understand.
Beta, at least try Aisha. अगर हम try नहीं करेंगे Olympiad questions में, see Aisha and Rida. Listen to me.
I have tried.
Yes, you try and send me the answer.
Understood.
That's only what is required. Try and send the answer. That's it.
Sir, something is coming when I am sending something to Ragni ma'am. I am not able to send to Ragni ma'am. Sir, now I wish my answers are correct. Yeah. And so, because this was very ultra basic. Sir, this is and
So whoever is saying send, please don't say beta. That's the rule of the class. Isn't it any?
Yes, sir. Sir, how is my first one now?
Now, kids, see, we have R here, we have B here. R दूसरी side चले जाता है, reverse हो जाता है. So B will also go to the other side and become reverse. Now, those who are not able to solve this, I will take this concept in mirror images again. So my answer would be A part.
Sir,
When I will teach mirror images, then I will explain this. A part क्यों हुआ, why it is not C part. So if you can understand, well and good.
Sir,
Same way.
The ulta side.
Yeah, this is mirror image of this. So here I will get the mirror image of this. So the mirror image of this would be B part. So again, if you don't understand, I'll be teaching when I teach you mirror images, that time we'll be doing this. Okay, kids, have we understood?
Sir, but in my notebook I have written A only.
But you must have sent something else, na then?
Oh.
Sir, I also wrote.
Ma'am doesn't have magical powers, na beta?
Sir, nobody
I
does.
accidentally sent C.
So kids, do the 10th one, odd one out. Now you have to find which one is odd. Like, who is odd one out in the group? Can anyone tell me?
Yes, sir.
Who is odd one out, Aisha?
Sir, Rida.
In the group of class today. Sir, Ritvi Didi.
Sir,
Sir, Sammy.
So,
Sir,
okay.
Rida.
Sir, Ritvi.
Sir, Rida.
Sir,
Sir, Rida.
All right. Let's do the question now.
Sir, tell na who is.
So, I will give a poll.
So please give quickly. Till then we'll do the question. Find odd one out.
Sir, everybody just tell now who is odd one out.
Guys,
Me, Ritvi, or
Rita,
Sam.
please don't talk, Abhina.
Okay, sir.
I correctly. Sir, can I retry my answer?
Beta, objective questions only one try is allowed. आप retry करो अपनी notebook में लिख लो. If you want to send to ma'am, you can send also, but it will be checked only once.
So please send the poll question.
Sir, please, little baby Annie is crying.
Beta, Rita, what did I say?
Okay, sir.
All right, guys.
Sir, I just came. Sir, send the answer.
The poll.
I just came.
Can you send this?
Sir, send the poll question. Sir, send the poll question.
Yes, sir, please.
Yes, sir.
Got it. My answer.
So this one is the odd one out because rest all are squares or rectangles. Also, this has 8 parts. 8 parts. 8 parts. This has 6 parts.
Sir, I did it with another trick.
Which trick, beta?
Sir, I also did that.
Saw that in the A, B, and D option in the middle there is a sleeping line, but in the C option there is no.
No, beta, the correct logic will be that in this we are getting 8 parts of equal size.
Sir, I did with another logic. With the corner, one on the top, one in the bottom.
I have listen to me, kids. I have explained the logic.
I thought it was Usaba. I
did Rida.
I did Asama. Is real name.
I did
Others have the real
All right,
name.
guys, 11th and 12th question. Everyone, 11th and 12th question.
It's Asama. He's like my best friend. Sir, I don't know what to do. Sir, are you going to tell us the answer?
11th and 12th question. Do it, guys.
Okay, sir. Thanks, sir.
Shweta, beta, you have to send to
Sir,
ma'am.
sorry.
It's okay. Send both the answers together, beta. Don't
Yes, sir,
send
I
one
will
by.
do. Sir, I can't hear you. Baba.
I said you have to do both the questions together and send it to me.
ठीक है.
You have to do the odd one out. Again, beta, the question is odd one out.
Sir, I sent the wrong one. Till now, nobody has got a heart. Sir, I cannot hear you. Sir, so many red crosses. Sir,
Yes.
I cannot hear. Sir, there are so many red crosses. There are green crosses. You cannot see them. They are not green crosses, only 3 green
All right.
legs. Sir, I think you're happy that you get to give us so many crosses.
So let me explain.
Sir, I cannot hear you at all.
So let's see the A part.
Sir,
So
I
this
have
is
no-
not the image. This is not the image. Or this is the image.
Sir, I understood.
This is the image. This is also the image. Beta, wait, let me explain. This is the image. Here also, this is the line. This is the image. Here also, this is the image. So when we will do the images chapter, then you will understand. But here, this is not the image. Because अगर image होती, तो ये part shaded होता. In this one, the line of symmetry, मतलब जो equal parts में cut कर रही है, it should have been like this. This would have been the correct answer. Because both, अगर कोई line of symmetry हो, both the parts should be. Again, I am telling you, I think मैं next class में ना, I will start, अगर और questions होंगे, I'll start mirror images. Let me see how many questions else are there.
Sir, I'm the worst at mirror images.
Beta, you will understand, don't worry.
So, but the good thing I have a mirror behind
I
me.
think only those 2-3 questions are there.
Sir, I cannot
So we
hear
can
you, but
continue
the
with
good
this
thing I
chapter.
have a mirror behind me.
So what I am saying is that Mn is not the line of symmetry or the mirror in this figure. So we will do this concept in details when we do mirror images. So 12th question, this is made up of curved and straight. This is made up of curved
मुझे मैसेज भी आया है.
and straight.
Sir.
Yes. This is made up of
Sir, odd one out is 8 parts.
straight
B part.
and curved.
Sir, the
This is
odd
just
one
made up of
is
curved. Guys, when I am explaining, no one speaks in between.
Sir, this can be a line of symmetry also.
फिर बेटा आपने बीच में बोला. Yes, Osama. No one speaks, beta, unless you have a doubt.
Sir,
Yes, Osama.
it can be like the line of symmetry also.
Beta, symmetry.
Like
Ye-
5 is not
Yes, beta, this
symmetrical
but
like
line of symmetry, yeah, ये जो है ये बड़ा है. You see this? This is small. So line of symmetry will not be, valid for 8. Understood?
Excuse me, sir.
3 maybe this is small, this is big. Yes, Ritvi?
Sir, there is one more. It is a closed figure also.
Yes, 8 is a closed figure, beta, but the more greater logic or the bigger logic is that it is made up of curved lines. This is a more strong logic. Understood?
Yes,
All
sir.
right, guys, that's all for today. Bye. Enjoy.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, guys.
Bye, sir. Bye, Sandy.